उदक साठवून दवरप गोंयांत गरजेचें जालां, कित्याक तर येवपी दशकांत उदकाचो उणाव जातलो असो अदमास जायत्या तज्ञांनी काडला। गोंयांत ताजें उदक मोठ्या प्रमाणांत मेळटा, घराघरांत नेमान उदक पावतलें। इल्लें सुद्दां उदक फुकट वयचें ना हाचे कडेन PWD आनी WRD लक्ष दितली। PWD मंत्री निलेश काब्रालान सांगलें, आयकात।
We have seen a lot of issues in a very small state. We all see, as part of our engineering, I've seen a lot of old or ex-PWD engineers here, retired engineers, present engineers. Before I could come to this function here, we had a small meeting with PC and the team. But I have said that I have taken over as PWD for the last 1.5 months, 2 months now almost. Where Goa being a state of abundant water, I know there are ways and means of giving this abundant water in the form of drinking water supply to every household, which all our team is vying to do so. Today they have been felicitated at my head by IVA for doing continuous work during the COVID times when everybody else was fearing for their lives and staying at home. Their efforts were there, which we all recognize them today, and I thank IVA for recognizing their efforts. It's not only the individual executive engineers who have taken the award, but the entire team, right from the pump operator or the chlorine injector inside for treating the water. But still we have much more ahead in giving, as I tell PC always when I meet him, that we have to see that we have to give continuous water to the people of Goa, and in the form of almost 24 hours water supply. I know that the team, the previous engineers have been working, the present engineers are working, but we all have to set a goal, which I have requested PC and his team, including CE and his entire team, that over a period of next few years, we should strive to give 24 hours drinking water to the people of Goa. Not that we are not giving some places, we have achieved it in some places, but there are some places we still have to achieve. Taking forward, there comes WRD, who gives us a source of water for pumping and then treating the water. Now there is always a contention that, as a fear, as PC also in his statement has made, that in the next few years, maybe another 15 years or 10 years, we will have a lot of shortage of drinking water. And what are we going to do? And I think with the regeneration of the river, which was there for almost 30-40 years, and reviving this water with engineering techniques, all the techniques have been shared by engineer Vilasi, where he has experienced and told how he has gotten life out of dead river. God has abundantly, as of today, given us a lot of rainwater, and we have various means or ways of storing it. I think we still have lots more to do towards conservation. As part of environment, we are identifying wetlands in the state of Goa. We have identified a few, trying to protect them. We have identified over a period of time, and hopefully by the end of this year or next year, we will have to identify technically the entire wetlands of the state of Goa, so that they are protected. Along with that, the water bodies are also protected.